In this video, we are going to be taking a look at proper nouns. Now, it is important to know that proper nouns name a specific person, place, or thing and are capitalized. So what kinds of nouns should be capitalized? Proper nouns. Specific nouns like addresses, titles, organizations, and abbreviations. For example, the boulevard would be an example of a common noun. A proper noun, Cooper Boulevard. The grocery store is a common noun. Specific name of a grocery store, everybody's favorite, Wegmans. The teacher, an example of a specific teacher would be Mrs. Lee. You can see how that's capitalized. And the doctor would be an example of a common noun. However, Dr. Jones would be an example of a proper noun. You can see how it is capitalized as well. So we can see some examples here on the screen. It says the town of Springfield. So what we would need to do is correct that error. We know that Springfield needs to be capitalized. Why is that? Because it's the name of a specific town. Next, it says our family physician, Dr. Jaffe. We know the D is capitalized in doctor, and also the J in Jaffe, showing that it is a proper noun. Now what I want you to do is turn to page 224 in your practice companion book, and we'll take a look at that worksheet. So we can see at the top of this worksheet it says proper nouns, and it says remember that proper nouns name a specific person, place, thing, or idea, and it says capitalize specific addresses and organizations, personal and professional titles, and abbreviations for proper nouns. So you can see some examples. Doctors Without Borders, that's a name of a group. 123 Elm Street, Toledo, Ohio. You can see every part of that address is capitalized. Miss Helena Rudnick. Once again, every part is capitalized. And then Richard Hoover, PhD, all capitalized as well. So what you'll need to do is take a look at numbers 1 through 5, and the directions are you need to circle the item that contains a mistake in capitalization. So let's do the first one together. So we see letter A, Dr. Bob L. Burns. You can see that the middle initial is not capitalized. The last name is not capitalized either. Let's take a look at some other ones before we circle that one. 78 Spring Street, all capitalized correctly. The Kennedy Library, all capitalized correctly. And then London, England, capitalized correctly. So we are going to circle letter A, and I want you to do that as well in your book. So what I want you to do is complete numbers 2 through 5 at your seats. And when you're finished, you can press play, and I will give you the answers. So pause the video now. So here are the answers for 2 through 5. We can see number 2 has a mistake for letter C. You can see Watertown is not capitalized. That W does need to be capitalized. Number 3, letter C, the American Red Cross. The needs to be capitalized. Red and cross need to be capitalized as well. Number 4, Miss, the M in Mrs. needs to be capitalized. And then finally, 8572 Blue Cypress Lane, LN. The L needs to be capitalized. So this concludes the video on proper nouns. It is important to remember that proper nouns name a specific person, place, thing, or idea, and do need to be capitalized as well. So if you have any questions about this concept, please come and see me.